Okay, and then I took the consent form, then I ekhaya, and then I explained ekhaya. Savumelana sonke, okay, I have to sign. Because this thing ends like on the left hand side. They are also scared about what's gonna happen if you figure in. Okay, fine, and then they cut the arm. And then after some few days, I say, I see you, baza kombati. Sisi, we're gonna remove umichin emdanin as perfumlel. But the only thing you can do when utandas, because umdana is either gonna be brain damage or abe ne stroke. But ke umdana uvulela amehlo but akaniboni. Oh, okay. And then I went to the doctor, but okay, what's gonna happen ngamehlo omntana? But there's nothing they can do about amehlo. So abumntana lose eyesight ngolo hlobo. But they were cleaning the wound, ne? Ngalo, and then they end up cutting him in. But no one has informed me with anything.